Module 5 is entitled Conflict Styles. We're going to learn how to determine what your conflict style is. All right, so conflict styles are patterned responses or clusters of behavior that people use in conflict. Style preferences develop over a person's lifetime based on a complicated blend of personal characteristics, life experiences, and family background. Upon this lesson, you should be able to recognize the various styles of conflict. You will be taking a conflict quiz. Explain patterns of violence during conflict and identify the rules of effective communication in relationships.